MC315 is a weighting instrument designed and manufactured in accordance with Directive 2014/34/EU, which is suitable for use in environments with potentially explosive atmosphere. The zone in which it can be used are 1, 21 and 2, 22. 1 and 2 for gases, 21 and 22 for dust, according to ATEX 2014/34 EU regulations. The use in area with a risk of explosion is safe thanks to the low energy used by the indicator and the low working temperatures. Power can be supplied by ALAX certified power supply or an ALBX battery power supply, placed in a safe zone or inside an ATEX certified container in an hazardous certified zone. On the side of the instrument, a silver square label is attached, in which ATEX regulation acronyms are listed and the model of the instrument, as well as the available optional devices, such as analog and field buses. The serial number and the supply voltage are indicated. On the front side, there are the 6-digit display and the multifunctional membrane keyboard that enables you to set up the instruments. When you switch the instrument, on pressing the holding the home stroke, a firmware code is displayed, which is important to report if you need assistance by your technician. MC315 is endowed with two RS485 serial ports and, through the fiber optic connection with our 318 interface, more RS485 and RS232 serial ports, an analog output and the most important field buses on the market, Profibus, Ethernet IP and other, are obtained. Display and use of the keyboard. M315 has an 8-digit bright display with 8 LEDs on the side, which indicate BAT. Power is supplied by a battery power supply. Battery status is also indicated. Fun. Enable function key. Net. The displayed weight is the net weight. Min. The gross weight is under the programmed zero range. 0. Center of 0. Stable weight. 1. Multi-range enabled field 1. 2. Multi-range enabled field 2. The keyboard of the MC315 consists of 21 keys that make it possible to set up the instrument in a smooth and easy way. Let's see the main functions. On. This key is aimed at switching the instrument on and off. 0. Zeroing of the displayed weight. TARE Automatic tearing function. PRG. Press and hold this key in order to access the setup menu. Fun. It is the function key that enables other key secondary function. Here below possible combinations that are shown. Fun and TARE. Manual tearing function. Fun and CLR. This combination cancels the TARE previous entered. Fun and Shift. This combination makes it possible to switch from net weight to gross weight. Fun and 1. Access to setup programming menu. Fun and 2. Cell channel switching. This function is available only with specific software. Fun and 3. Weight transmission by means of on-demand protocol. After you have accessed the menu, you can use the arrows key to move through them and select the submenus. The up and down arrow keys allow you to scroll through the parameters. The right arrow key allows you to access the next level. The left arrow key allows you to come back to the previous level. Let's see an example of the setup of the parameters. Access the setup menu, enter const menu, and set up the capacity. After you have accessed the menu, using the right arrow key, the default value appears intermittently. Press CLR to stop it and enter the desired value using the number keys, then press PRG to confirm. Don't forget to follow us through our social media campaigns and access our site pavonesistemi.com.